Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes. Our recipe today is a beef and broccoli stir fry. This recipe is so easy to make and tastes better than takeout. This recipe is all made in one pot. It's super quick and super simple and everyone loves it. Let's get started. Start out by slicing 2 pounds of flank steak. Then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Give them a good mix and set them aside. In a separate bowl, add 3 tablespoons of garlic paste or fresh garlic and 2 tablespoons of grated ginger. Then add 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar. Then add 1/3 of a cup of soy sauce and 1.5 cups of beef broth. Whisk it up together and add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix your mixture well and set it aside. Get a skillet over medium-high heat, add some vegetable oil, and add your steak in. When your steak is halfway done, add 1 medium onion thinly sliced. You want to saute your onion with the meat until the meat is fully cooked. After you've cooked your meat to your preference, I added 4 cups of chopped broccoli, 1 cup of shredded carrots, and 1 cup of chopped cabbage. Mix everything well together. Then add your sauce mixture that we set aside earlier and mix everything in together. Make sure everything gets coated with the sauce. Then we're going to close the lid and let it cook for about 5 minutes over medium heat until our vegetables get tender. After 5 minutes, I want you to see how our sauce is starting to thicken beautifully. Now, it goes back to you. If you like your broccoli fully cooked, you can leave it for a few more minutes. I like mine with a little crunch, so I'm ready to add my noodles. In a separate pot, I cooked 16 ounces of spaghetti noodles that I'm going to add to my pot right here. Mix your noodles in together with your vegetables and cover the lid and let it cook for about 5 more minutes over medium to low heat, and then your dish is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this simple and easy recipe. I hope you enjoy making it at home.